Mitigating climate change is about reducing the release of greenhouse gas emissions that are warming our planet. Mitigation strategies include retrofitting buildings to make them more energy efficient, adopting renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and small hydro helping cities develop more sustainable transport, such as bus rapid transit, electric vehicles, and biofuels, and promoting more sustainable uses of land and forests.
Climate change affects all natural and economic systems. These interaction between climate change and biodiversity, land degradation, forest, chemicals, and waste. And international water points to the importance of recognizing climate change implication in everything we do. The GEF has the unique ability to support natural solution developed with a system thinking that takes advantage of synergies to seek multiple global environmental benefits across convention while reducing trade-offs and duplication. The GF7 climate change mitigation strategies aim to support developing countries to make transformational shift towards low emission development pathways compatible with the objectives of the United Nations Framework Convention of Climate Change, or UNFCCC, and the Paris Agreement. Within the evolving landscape of the climate finance, the strategy is designed to be as complementary as possible to other sources of climate finance, such as Green Climate Fund.
GEF support for climate change mitigation efforts is informed by three overarching objectives: promote innovation and technology transfer for sustainable energy breakthroughs. Technology is one of the key means to reduce or slow the growth of and stabilize the concentration of greenhouse gas emissions, or the GHG. To that end, technology innovation, especially when promoted in partnership with the private sector, can help create or expand markets for green products and services, generating jobs and supporting economic growth while contributing to the reduction of the GHG emissions. Resources from the GEF play a key role in piloting emerging and innovative solutions, including clean technologies, business models, supportive policies and strategies, and financial tools which foster private sector engagement for climate-friendly technologies and innovations. 4 entry points have been prioritized by the GEF7 support in the climate mitigation area, in consideration of their innovative nature and complementary to other financial mechanisms: decentralized renewable power with energy storage, electric drive technologies and electric mobility, accelerating energy efficiency adoption, and clean tech innovation. Second is demonstrate mitigation options with systemic impacts. Climate change affects virtually all natural and economic systems. The interaction between climate change and all areas of the GEF's work points to the importance of recognizing climate change implications in other focal areas by harnessing mitigation options and integrating climate resilience measures, while promoting multiple global environment benefits in a holistic and integrated fashion. This will be done by the 3 GEF7 cross-cutting impact programs: sustainable cities, food systems, land use and restoration, and sustainable forest management. Third is mainstream mitigation concerns into sustainable development strategies. The GEF continues to address the need for enabling conditions to mainstream climate change concerns into the national planning and development agenda through sound data, analysis, and policy frameworks. This is exemplified by the GEF support for national communications, biennial update reports, technology needs assessment, nationally determined contributions, and the capacity building initiative for transparency.
We support a wide variety of mitigation strategy, but the production and consumption of energy is the single largest contributor to greenhouse gas emission. GEF investment are geared to mitigate this emission through specific projects. For example, first is energy efficiency, introducing standards for consumer appliances and equipment such as lighting, air condition and motors, and stronger building codes. Next is the second one is renewable energy, the commercializing and scaling technologies like solar, wind, and small hydro, biopower, and geothermal energy. Next is policy, introducing feed-in tax reverse auction, and other market-based mechanism and financial instruments to speed up the investment in clean energy.